to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my first beauty subscription box for March, and it is Lookfantastic. And they've got a great offer on this month. Subscriptions start from £13 a month, and the offer this month is if you take out any of their subscriptions, then you will receive a £10 voucher through email so you can spend on Lookfantastic. So essentially, if you take out, say, a monthly rolling subscription for £15 and you fancied buying something off the Lookfantastic website anyway, then you're just getting all this for £5. I think that's right. It makes sense in my head anyway. So you'll find links to Lookfantastic subscription down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to the website, so you're welcome to take a look. So let's see what's inside then. There's 6 items in total, always has a minimum value of £50. As I said, this one is worth £60 this month. So starting off, we've got Gatineau. This is an award-winning Golden Glow Gradual Tan. This is worth over £22. And it contains coconut oil, so nice and hydrated. Builds an effortless and natural even tan formulated with coconut oil and vitamin A, and there is 75 mils there. If you're worried about applying fake tan and looking too orange or too dark too soon, then maybe something like this might be a handy sort of step in to see if you like the tan look or not. Then we've got Aveeno. So you'll either receive this one, which is the Calm and Restore for sensitive skin. It's a moisturising lotion with SPF 50. This is worth over £5, and there is 15 mils there. Delivers all-day hydration, protects against UVA and UVB rays, non-pilling, and can be applied as a makeup base. Contains nourishing oat, calming feverfew. I haven't heard of that before, and it's an antioxidant, and hyaluronic acid. So you'll either receive this one or you will receive the oat gel moisturiser, which is worth over £4. So they're little minis, they are. I wonder if you can actually buy them at this size. I'm not sure. I'd imagine they're like deluxe sizes, aren't they? Like travel sizes. Because they come in a box, it usually means that, yeah, you can buy them at that size. But that's not always true. I'm just guessing. Then you've got a conditioner from Olaplex. This is a little sample or a mini travel size. How much we've got there? We've got 20 mils. So this is number 5. It's a bond maintenance conditioner. Repairs, strengthens and nourishes all hair types. Nice conditioner. I've used it many, many times. I would have loved to have seen a shampoo though. I always say that whenever we get shampoo or conditioner and we only get one of them. Yeah, it's a little bit of a bugbear of mine, but it would have been nice to have the shampoo with that as well. I'm just thinking going away for the night or something like that. I always like want a duo. But the conditioner's nice. I will use that anyway. So yeah, there's that. Then we've got a nail polish. This is a one-step gel. It's full size. It's worth over £8 and it's in shade Sabrina. As you can see there. Yeah, it might be quite nice on my toes. I have them done in the salon, so I never use nail polish on them really, but might be a nice one. Just a nice nude, just to make my toes look a bit better than what they do currently. They look awful, but anyway. Then we've got a lip balm. This is a lip protector with SPF 30, and it's from Ultra Sun. It's to hydrate your lips, make them comfortable, and protect from the sun. And this is worth over £9. I'm using a lot of lip balm at the moment. I've had lip filler. Oh, yeah, I've been put off for years and years and years, and I finally had it done. You can't really tell I've had it done, in all honesty. I've only had 0.5. If you'd like me to do like a little video, like a short or something, going into it, showing you what it was like before and after. I've taken some photos, but I haven't done any filming as such. But yeah, I can go into it a bit more detail. Just let me know. I don't know if you can see. Looks really natural. There's not much of a difference in my lips, but I think it's given more definition to my outer line. But my lips are so dry, really, really dry. I had them done 2 weeks ago, so yeah, I'm going through lip balm like anything. And then lastly, we've got some alligator clips by Lookfantastic themselves. So these are snag-free sectioning clips. I like the design, very, very nice. Just stick it in your hair. Handy for sectioning, doing your makeup, skincare or whatever. But yeah, we've got a gradual tan from Gatineau. You'll receive one of 2 different moisturisers from Aveeno. You've got a sheer pink nail polish, a Olaplex number 5 conditioner. We've got some hair clips, some sectioning clips. And then lastly, we've got the SPF 30 lip protector by Ultra Sun. has a value of £60, and the offer this month is if you take out any subscription, you get a £10 voucher emailed to you. You can use it on the Lookfantastic website. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one? If you're a subscriber, are you excited to receive it? Or are you thinking, nah, do you know what? Not doing it for me this month. All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.